So we have 2 points here, point P at -4, 7, and point Q at 2, -3. And we want to find an equation of a line passing through both these points. We know that in y-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So let's start by finding the m aspect of this equation. Let's find our slope. We know that slope equals rise, which is a difference in y, over run, which is a difference in x. We can rewrite that as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's use q as our y2 and x2 values and p as our y1 and x1 values. That's going to be -3 minus 7 over 2 minus 4, which is 2 plus 4. -3 minus 7 is -10, and 2 plus 4 is 6. We can reduce this fraction by dividing both the top and bottom by 2 to give us -5 over 3. Now that we have our slope and 2 points, we can plug in these values into into point slope, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Let's use point Q as y1 and x1. That's going to be y minus -3, which is y plus 3, equals -5 over 3, which is our slope, times x minus 2. Let's open up this bracket and distribute the terms inside. And finally, let's isolate for y. Before we add our two constants, we need to find a common denominator. So let's find a common denominator of 3. And finally, we can add these two together to give us y equals -5 over 3x plus 1 over 3, which is our final answer and the equation of the line passing through points P and Q in y-intercept form.